family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video I bring to you the best way to use oatmeal to have the healthy hair that you desire, to prevent split end, itchy scalp, dry hair, frizzy hair, and also super moisturize your hair. Healthy hair grow from scalp. It will, if you are desire to grow your hair healthy, keep watching this video. There's more to that, so if you are interested, keep watching. Watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss the important information I will be giving out in this video. So as you can see, I already collect my oatmeal. The measurement depend on the volume of your hair and your hair thickener. So as you can see, I do eyeball. So do eyeball to collect the quantity that can cover all your hair. I add more because I find out that one will not be enough for me. So oatmeal do not take long time to cook, so make sure that you be stirring it time to time so that it will not get burned. If you leave it, it will burn, and which is not good to use. So keep on stirring it. Don't allow it to get burned. So once the oatmeal is soft and mushy, that's when it is ready. As you can see, mine is almost ready. I will now bring it down from fire. After cooling down, see how it look like. This is how it look like. So after then, I will transfer it to my blender for blending process. So at this point, you can add water to make it more easier to blend, but I add rice water because I have rice water at home. So if you have rice water, feel free to make use of it. So if you don't have rice water, don't mind, you can use your water to blend it. So after blending, transfer it to your cheesecloth. I transfer it to my cheesecloth. You can use whatever you have to strain it. You can use your wig cap or whatever, but make sure that it's strained so that particles will not stuck on your hair, and I know that you will not like that in your hair. So after then, squeeze it very well to collect all the condition out on your hair. Do you see how is so sleepy? You can also use this as your detangler. It's so amazing in our hair. Oatmeal is very beneficial in your natural hair. It will help you grow your hair. Use this oatmeal for once in a week. In 2 months time, you will see a change in your hair. Your hair will grow, get more thick and more fuller. I mean it when I said it. If you have struggling to grow your hair, if you have battle to grow your hair for a while now, your hair is not growing, try this conditioner. Or your hair have been breaking out a lot, try this conditioner. Oatmeal is also contain a little protein which make our hair get more stronger and longer. It make your hair more fuller. I mean it when I said it. So how to use this? Use it in your clean wash hair, please. Don't use it on your dirty hair. It's a deep condition. You cannot apply deep condition on your dirty hair. So use it on your clean fresh wash hair. So use it to hydrate all over your hair, from your scalp to the strength of your hair. This is very good. Make sure that you use it and coat all over your hair and your scalp. Massage your hair whenever you're applying it. This deep condition helped me a lot in my hair growth. I mean it. You will never go wrong on it. You know that our hair cannot grow overnight. You cannot apply products on your hair today. You are expecting to see magic result at once. No, with consistent use, you will see change in your hair. So whatever I bring to you in this channel, I have tried them all and they have worked on my hair before I bring it to you in this channel. So anything that I share to you in this channel, try to use them consistent and you will see a great, that is a 100% guarantee that you must see a great change on your hair. So let me know whether you have tried this before or you are going to give it a try. Let me know in comment section below. If you are new in this channel, if today is the first time you stopping by in this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by to watch my videos. Please don't make it your last. In this channel is how to grow our natural hair without breaking the bank. So please don't make it your last. Subscribe. Join the family by subscribing. Turn up your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and for your support. Thank you for always come back to watch my video. I did not take you on granted. I love you guys so much. Please, if you have not turned up your post notification bell, please do so, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please, if this video is helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. Please, it will help the channel to grow more. It will help YouTube to push this video to more people that are searching similar content like this, and also to promote growth of the channel. Please, let's grow the channel together and also grow our hair together. Thank you for doing that for your care. I love you guys so much. So please use this. This is so messy. Use it in your bedroom, okay? Don't use it in your parlor or whatever, or unless you are ready to clean up everywhere after using. Do you see how it's super soft for me? Do you see how my finger on my hair, and it's so easy because this is so love. If your hair is coarse, if you have coarse hair, this will help your hair to get soft. I mean it. You love the results. A trial will convince you. I don't need to talk so much in the deep condition because I know what I'm saying. It works. Yes, it really works. And also, it helps repair damaged hair. Also, keep your hair super moisture. If your hair had been damaged, you try this oatmeal. It will help you. If you have experienced freaky hair, if your hair is itching you, it also help you to stop that itching. I went off camera to finish up the other half of my hair. So after then, I will now apply the leftover on my edges. Make sure that you take care of your edges, please. Whatever you apply on your hair, don't neglect your edges because your edges is part of your hair, and also they are fragile to break out. And also the tip of your hair, our tip of our hair is the old part of our hair. They are easy to break out, so make sure that you take special care of them. So after then, you will massage your scalp. Massage your scalp, sis. Massaging is very important. When I mean it, if you have not been cooperating massage, you are missing. You don't really need thick hair or faster hair growth. Massage can promote faster hair growth because massaging will promote blood flow on your hair. Our hair grow from scalp, so you need to take care of your scalp. Massage your hair. Any product you apply on your hair, make sure that you massage it very well. To me, if you are looking for thick hair, corporate massaging, you will see how your hair will get super thick. So after I massage my hair, I will use my shower cap, my nylon and my shower cap to cover my hair. At this point, if you have heat cap, use heat cap to heat your hair like 40 minutes or 1 hour minute. But now I don't have heat cap. I use my nylon and my shower cap to cover up my hair. I will leave it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, but you can leave it more than that. You can leave it to 2 hours or more. Just that make sure that you leave it up to 1 hour to make so that the product can penetrate very well on your hair and do a thing. Okay, don't be in haste to wash this out. Okay, I love this deep condition a lot. I love it so much. The way it make my hair feel, the way it make my hair so super manageable, so soft. Honestly speaking, I know that you like it. See how my body is. Do you see how this thing mess up my body? That's why I say you should apply this on your bathroom, okay, to avoid this messy. Let's talk about the benefit of oatmeal in our natural hair. Oatmeal contains plenty of omega-6 fatty acid to help repair split end and damaged hair. It also moisturizes your hair, make your hair feel soft and fuller. The protein in oatmeal help add thickness to your hair and also reduce breakage on your hair. It also promotes hair growth and also make your hair look so shiny. Yes, I said that because whenever I use it, my hair looks super shiny. So after the time is up, you can leave yours for 1 hour or even 2 hours or 3 hours, depend on you. okay. More you leave it, more the product do well on your hair, okay. So use cold water to rinse it out. Don't use hot water or lukewarm water. Use cold water so that your cuticles can be closed. So rinse it out thoroughly, and it's very easy to rinse out. It's very easy to rinse out. It's not difficult to rinse it out.
Please, if you have not subscribed, if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Please subscribe, help your girl to grow the channel by subscribing, like the video, share the video, so that more viewers, so that YouTube will push it to more viewers, okay? Please. And also, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Comment down below. I would like to read your comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you are going to give it a try, or have you tried it before, let me know. So please, so after rinsing it out, if you have any more thing to do to your hair, you can continue to your routine, either your tea rinse, or you can go ahead and moisturize your hair. This is how the hair was after washing it. I took down my twins so that I will be make sure that I wash everything out thoroughly. Do you see how my hair feel? My hair feels super soft. How you mean it can touch my hair? You love the texture of my hair at this point. My hair feels super soft. Honestly, I would like you to try this. If you have not tried it before, you will definitely love the results. Everything about this deep condition is super amazing on your hair. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Here will be this where I'll be closing today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give this girl a thumbs up, okay? Share the video, like the video, okay? And say hi in comment section. I will know that you watch up to this point. See you in my next video. Bye. Be safe out there.